Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see the model and this is the drawing. You see here a lot of dimensions, we'll use them. This model is number 60 from my collection of 100 mechanical parts. New empty document. Take a look of this workbench and select CAD, not Blender, because we create mechanical parts. Before I begin, I want to show you something. I select a plane for a new sketch. I use polyline. I draw some lines, as you can see. This is a close contour and this is another close contour. If we apply pad or extrude, FreeCAD selects one of the two close contours to create only one object. In Inventor you can make the same sketch and you'll receive both objects. But to solve the problem, you can connect the two close contours with such other lines as you like. Cut or trim these two, close, and once again pad. Now we have only one volume. If some of you have an answer for this or a solution, I'm waiting for you to send me a comment. You see in the drawing that 50 is the dimension for this feature and also for this feature. Let's start. New sketch, YZ plane, and we draw two arcs with center. This is the first and this is the second. Same center. This radius is 70. The other one is 30. Dimensions in the drawing. Then a line to the axis, another one here, both horizontal, and polyline to create other contours. Here is not perpendicular, but will change. Vertical, vertical, horizontal. Equal are these two short lines and also these two. Then we can apply some dimensions. This is 4 millimeters, This is 84. Then these two 124, and we apply fillets here of 15. This and this, they are equal, and the radius is 15. Other dimensions we can find by trying to move entities. This was placed, but somehow happens to be not kept. This is 124 once again. 1 degree of freedom is where? This is not. Oh, these two are equal as well. Equal this with this. Good. Now we have a first sketch. We add a rectangle here with dimensions 180, enter 20. Dimensions are 30 is this 30, and the distance from the bottom to the center is 102. Now we have two close contours, fully constrained, and as you know, we cannot create extrude without connecting these two close contour. This is 40, and this is not important. We apply trim, as you know, and we lose some degrees of freedom, but we know what is here, so we can continue, close, and apply extrusion on 50, symmetric. Okay, this is the first volume. We continue with this feature, thickness of 12. It is placed from that 40 to the sloped line. of 15 degrees, 96 distance. We'll continue this line to here and to the existing contour. We select this plane once again, mid-plane. We apply C inside and we project some entities. This one, and this one, and this one. We draw a polyline starting from here, going right here, then to the right, sloped here and close. We apply the angle of 15 between these two lines, 15 and 96 from here, so that we have to project also this line. Dimension from that line to this point of 96. Close contour, fully constrained, and pad of 12, symmetrical. Okay, we have the pad 001. Now we want to eliminate this area. To do this, we select this face, we apply sketch, then we project that two lines, 1, 2, we create a rectangle here, close, and pocket of that contour up to face. What face? This face. You see the result. Okay, and we apply mirror by selecting this and using this. About this plane with the name YZ. You see, we have a good result. Next is this cylinder, diameter of 30, distance of 94. We use this plane to create a datum plane placed in Z direction at a distance of 94. Let's see what is the direction. Minus 94. Okay, then we turn the part, we select this, we use the sketch, and now we draw that circle with this center, projection automatically placed here of the center point, 30. Close, hide the datum plane and apply pad to the face up to face. What face? This face. Okay. You can see the position. Good. Now we apply sketch for this internal void volume. Radius 60, radius 15, just like this, and 80. Don't forget the width of 34. New sketch, YZ plane, see inside, and project this line and this line. Then we draw a polyline starting from here to the right, in succession to have an arc, and then once again for another arc, for the last arc, ending here. This must be horizontal, this line. Equal are the two arcs and also the two lines. The center of the circle or arc is coincident with this. Dimensions: radius 15, radius 60, and let's see what are that other dimensions. This is not coincident with the projected line. Now it is, and we have to create also this. Now we connect the two ends, this with this. Now we have one dimension missing. What is that? We can see very easily, because this must be 80. Fully constrained, close, pocket on 34. But symmetrical. Okay. Now the holes. One is this one, 15, diameter of 15. Other two are here, 13 at 153. And the last ones are these two metric 12 at 100 distance, with the depth of 36 and the thread 28. Let's create these new features. We turn back the part, we select this face, hole, diameter of 14 through the part. Okay. Then we select this face, new sketch. This is the axis, so we can project these two end lines to draw a short line here and another short line here. They are equal. The two lines are equal. Then we select them and make them construction. I keep pressed Ctrl to select the second, and both are construction. Circle here, other circle here. The distance is 153. 153. They are placed symmetrical, and we don't have an axis. Close, hole. These holes are 13 through the part. Okay. For the last holes, we select this face. We place a circle on the axis, another one here, symmetrical. Their centers are symmetrical from this axis, about this axis, and the distance is 100. 100. Close. Hole. Both are metric regular profile. The value is 12. The dimension is 36 for both, and we go here to apply threaded on a distance of 28, and we can apply model thread to see the profile, real profile. If you use a 3D printer, you need to have these profiles. Good. Okay, now we take a time because FreeCAD must create that profiles. Fillets, radius 4, same here, here, and all around this contour. But firstly are these 4 fillets of radius 8. We keep press the Control key from the keyboard and we select edges. Control, not Shift. This is 8 millimeters fillet. Okay. You see that result. Now I select only this to apply fillet of 4. The time we spend here is due to these two profiles, threaded holes. Okay, now we focus on this. Control key and click. Control key, also click, and then control key to this. Radius also 4 millimeters. Okay. Other fillets are here, this edge, then press the control key and go around this, press the left, the control key, also this, also this. Press control and select also this, this, and this, and the last, no, it is okay, but we have to finish with this. Control pressed, control pressed, control pressed. The value is 4. Okay. Now we can see the part. Very nice. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.